Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V. Thanks so much for joining my channel today. So I wanted to bring a little makeup tutorial again, and this time it is featuring Omolewa World Tour Eyeshadow Palette. I really like this palette. Like, I've used it several times, and I got it from a beauty expo that I went to. I think it was a hair expo that I went to a few months ago. I got to meet the owner. She's lovely, and this is a great product line. So check out Omolewa, y'all. So if you want to see how I got this look, then you know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do. Stick around. All right, y'all, so as usual, I am starting off with my eyebrows already done and my eyelids already prepped. For this look, I am using the oh so lovely Omolewa World Tour Eyeshadow Palette, and I am starting with the Monaco color in my upper crease area as my transition color. Next, I'm going in with the Abuja color right into my crease area. I'm going back in with the initial Monaco color just to make sure the two colors are well blended. Now I'm going to go into my outer and inner V using the color Rome to give the smoky look of my halo effect. Now, I know I am looking a bit like a raccoon right now, but it's going to all come together. Trust the process. Okay, I don't know who's not using this Louise Base at this point, but if you are not, you better get your life and get you some, because this stuff is the business, okay? Well worth the price and the wait. Louise Base. Not only do I use this for a nice cut crease, but I use this to carve my eyebrows and as the base for my eyes. I'm just setting this in place with my Sasha Buttercup. Now I'm going in with the color Melbourne into the halo area of my eyelids. I knew I was going to go in with a red glitter, so I at least wanted to have a red background to complement the glitter. As you can see, I am just blending the black Rome color into the red Melbourne color for a seamless transition of the colors. Just watch me break it. Before I add the glitter, I am adding some NYX glitter primer just to make sure the glitter sticks to my lids. This particular glitter in this palette is called London. Now, I was not particularly a fan of this glitter. I don't think it applied and popped very well. So I ended up having to go in with one of my glitter liners to kind of fill it in, as you'll see here in a minute.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.
So now I'm going back in with the Abuja color just to make sure it is nicely blended with the Rome color. Okay, so here's the glitter liner I was referring to, and as you'll see, it makes the glitter pop just a little bit more than the glitter shadow I was using. Now I'm gonna line my eyes using NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner.
You got a free pass, oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games, though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it.
Okay, so sometimes, as you'll see here, I just like to clean up my eyeshadow area and create a sharp line using the Louise Base. So I go back in with that, which is also mixed with my foundation for a darker color, and just kind of clean up the line just to give it a sharp finish. A lot of people get this sharp look using tape, but I just feel like this is just much easier for me. Just kind of draw a line and clean it up that way. It's just much easier than putting tape on my face. My opinion. Now I'm just going in with my NYX black eyeliner. Okay, so the lashes I'm using today are by Boldface Makeup in the style of Sassy Since Birth, and voila, here they are. Okay, y'all, so the rest of this process is pretty standard for me, so I'm just going to finish the rest of my face and come back with the final look. The only thing that I did different was apply some black opal setting powder to my face before I applied my foundation, which you will see here.
Just watch me break it. If only me touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
Well, everybody, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you in the next one. I will see you in the next one.